Hi everyone, and welcome again to another video. We're addressing the water leak in the Skoda, Volkswagen, SEAT and Audi cars, the old or the new. Most of the problems you will see in the videos on the YouTube talking about the hose getting into the back engine and the washer and the wiper, the back wiper here. So most of the leaks will happen from this hose, either here or through the connection. The solution is to take out those covers and check it. If you go to my Arabic channel, you will see the problem started in summer, that I had a pool of water here, which caused the wires to be galvanized and broken, and I have to rewire everything. The broken connections cut, and you can see the rust from 2 centimeters of water staying for a long time before I buy the car. I removed the plug to drain the water, and I just kept focusing where's the problem can be. I checked the hose to the back wiper doesn't leak anything. It comes with this cable, within this cable down, and it goes through here up to here to the back. And it was not my problem. I had a broken light. It was a hidden hit on the light. Here you can see there was a hit, and it caused the light to move a little bit, so the rubber that give the insulation of water was leaking. So I covered it with the gasket silicone, the covering silicone for the gasket we use for the motor, for the engine here. And to do so, you have to remove all those panels here, all around to see. I had to remove everything to see. This fixed the water leak, but still there was water coming inside and pooling in that place. So this gasket was changed into brand new, and still the leak was there. So what I did, I took a water sprinkler, and I started going up, because once I removed those panels, I noticed that the water is leaking from the metal here inside, and it's not broken metal, it was from the normal layers of the metal inside. So with the sprinkler, I started going up, because if I started from the upper side, I will not see if there is something in the down. So I started going up, and I noticed that the water is leaking here. You see this rust here? This is the problem with this Volkswagen, SEAT and Audi and the Skoda. The layers are welded together, but once you have rust, it will expand, and it will allow any drip of water to get inside. And this water will leak inside the panel. You can't see it at all unless you remove all the covers here, which I removed. And then this one is not leaking. I will show you where it was leaking. You see here, whoever have those cars, you will see that the layers are welded together. It was leaking from here, it was leaking from here, where are the layers are welded together. And then I go up, it was also leaking from here, and here there is the layer on layer, it was leaking from here also. And hopefully, alhamdulillah, it was fixed. Now we are driving in the winter season, the rain is continuous, and yet you can see this is the old rust. There's no humidity, there's no water leaking at all. I suggest that everyone who have such cars check on his wires, because most of the contacts or the electric problems with those cars comes from this cable, because this is the main cable that connect the whole mechanism, and the lights, and the cigarette lighter here, and the mechanism of the upper back fifth door. So I just wanted to share this info. Maybe it will be useful for somebody sometime. Hope you like it. Of course, I did the other part, although there was no leak here. The welding is better here, or like not rusty, but at the same time I tried to do it. You see here what I did on the other side. Here's the layers of metal over metal that get cracked when it gets rusty, and here you can see it, but I have no leak at all here, so we'll keep it, and just at least I know the source of the what was leaking drop by drop, and overnight it will accumulate there. Hope you find it useful, and see you in other videos. For the meantime, bye bye.